I'm Michelle Beeson with National Plant Services, a Carillon company. Sewer lines often traverse backyard easements or heavily wooded areas that make inspection very difficult. But we have developed a creative solution to this inspection problem. We are going to smoke test these sewers and look for possible pipe defects using drones. In hilly areas, sewer lines are often located in backyard easements so that the laterals from the homes above can flow by gravity to the sewers. These sewers often have bends, which CCTV equipment cannot navigate. Sewers in easements are often located along fence lines and cannot be inspected without arranging access with homeowners. Drones are the best option. However, before we could attempt this drone pilot, all FAA and local ordinances had to be followed.
Hi, I'm Zubair Menteshe, an FAA licensed drone operator with Copter Optics. We're working with National Plant Services to employ drones in sewer smoke testing. On top of refining our best practices for this novel use of drone technology, we've also secured necessary flight permissions and local permits to be able to operate in a safe and compliant manner.
Once we obtained the film permit from the City of Oakland allowing us to use a drone, we set the inspection date and delivered flyers to residents informing them of this pilot. We also notified the fire department, informing them of the work in the event of any emergency calls by passers-by who noticed the smoke. We first set up traffic control. Sandbags may be lowered into the manholes to control the smoke direction. Motorized blowers with a constant feed of liquid smoke are placed over the manhole and monitored at all times. Once smoke was blown into the sewers, our spotters walked the area looking for smoke while the drone flew the same route above. It's normal for smoke to come out of plumbing vents at the rooftop of buildings, but we are looking for infiltration through pipe defects or inflow through legal connections. So we want to record potential system defects such as smoke coming out of the ground that could indicate a structural pipe defect, or from underneath concrete structures. From vented manhole covers, from uncapped cleanouts, or damage from construction activity. Coming out of storm drains, or from meter boxes. Lighting makes a big difference in identifying smoke for both human and drone. Having sunlight behind the smoke helps. A drone was used alongside human inspectors to see what percentage of both drone and humans could spot the same defect. Drones were used exclusively for the backyard easement lines. Both the drone operator and I had monitors to view the flight of the drone and look for smoke. Our Survey 123 handheld app was used to record the GPS coordinates of the smoke defects along with other pertinent information. The drone also recorded GPS coordinates, which was downloaded later and added to the reports. The smoke test pilot proved that drones are effective in locating smoke in wooded and backyard areas, as shown by the following examples. This defect was from a missing cleanout cap, which was also spotted by the drone, even with tree cover. This location in a side yard was also spotted by the drone, but because the area was shaded, the smoke was observed more faintly with the drone than with human eyes. Viewing smoke with the drone camera at an angle with sunlight behind it was most effective for spotting smoke. When smoke was observed, the drone recorded the video and also took high-quality still images of the defect, which allowed us to zoom in and discover the source of the smoke later. Overall, this drone pilot was a success, with many smoke returns spotted in backyards and wooded areas that would be time-consuming, difficult, and sometimes impossible to locate with human inspectors. These positive smoke returns will allow EBMUD and City of Oakland to schedule follow-up CCTV inspections at the exact locations where there are confirmed system defects. If you would like to try a smoke test survey using drones, give me a call. We would love to help.